tabayan.
I said, look good. Thank you so much, Etikar Chaudhary. You will marry me? Okay.
Sabi mo, yes!
Sure na eh.
Just come!
But before you marry me, give me more money. Give me a house and lot. Ganyan, te.
Pasok ko grabe pag ninyo ka. Etikar Chaudhary, you will marry me? Not now, guys.
Sabi mo, yes! Just come in the Philippines.
Dili guys in country, kung sino nag-comment, pangalan niya Banggita. Para masintro mo sila ba?
Etikar Chaudhary.
Pila na may subscriber?
Thank you so much.
Hmm.
Duha na lang ang mag 1K. Mr.
Halimbawa,
Summer.
si Ramon nag-iinte.
My glasses is borrow this one, my brother.
Ano daw?
Lalo na din si ate.
Ano daw? This my eyeglass borrow this one, my.
Basta mo na to.
Ako ko nung glasses kay putol man daw.
Oh, it's broke. I don't have money to buy new one. Sabi mo.
Dili, ako ko nung glasses kay kuan. Sa to? Etikar Chaudhary, no is you. I will give you money.
Wow!
Are you sure? Etikar Manabalan, I have money for buy this one.
New have money to buy new one.
Ito na, ito nila.
Tuduan ka.
May kape.
Naam to diha god. Murag lami ka inom og kape ba kay nagsudan ko
Here's
paksiw.
sound. Only coming. Let's see Manabalan. Who is his sound? Only
My
coming
sister.
now. Huh?
My sister.
My sister and brother.
Ito daw only ano?
Who is she sound? Only coming.
Ano daw? Parehas man mo English Karabaw.
Who is she sound daw? Only coming. Ano ba yun?
Indian kasi yan eh.
Only coming daw. Ang
There.
coming pa
Show me the phone. I am here.
This is my sister, guys.
I'm eating breakfast.
My sister, guys.
Come, let's eat. Oh.
Gumamit na din pala ng translator.
Bakit ang laki-laki live mo?
Sino ang laki-laki?
Zoom.
Ha?
Naka-zoom.
Sa'yo naka-zoom.
Naka-apert kang dako ah.
Ako man nagipanak anong kung ano front size, God?
Sus, ginoo ko. O yun. Yun sa tuloy mo. Naka-zoom in kasi. Let's eat.
My sister, guys, is eating.
Huwag ka magulo, naka-live din ako. Oh.
Ah, naka-live ka din pala. Tapos na kayo? Kami na naman.
Hapdosas, ako namang eh. Mag-sunburn.
Hi, guys. I'm here. I'm here, guys.
Ay, salamat. Timplahan kong kape sa kumbana.
Nakainit.
Kape, baka-short niya kumbana.
Wala mang kayo kape.
Naamang ko diya, isa.
Ulahin man maglihok ng cellphone. Left, live.
Lag ka, lag.
Hey, lag.
Imuha ng cellphone na puno. Pag sila na.
Oo, malihok ko. Pagkira. Ako ito malihok. Wala eh.
Lag gani, lag.
Iris sa pagkuhan eh. Thank you so much for watching me. Manabalan, manabalan.